changes is going to start today. Today is the 13th day of March 2025. So the PAWS claim to exchanges is going to start today. So claim of your PAWS will be available via the PAWS website, which is at PAWS Community. PAWS claiming process supports two exchanges for now, that is Bybit and Bjet. Make sure you have an account on your chosen exchange, that is any of these two. The list of supported exchange may be updated. That means more exchanges may come as time goes on. Tokens won't be received immediately, but will be deposited into your account by March 18. So you have to start withdrawing today, but the deposit will take place on March. It will hit your Bybit or Bjet or any other added account wallet exchange by the 18th of March. If you want to claim your PAWS on chain to a Solana wallet, that option will be available soon, maybe later today or after today. Now, let me show you the guide. This is a guide on how to claim your PAWS airdrop to centralized exchanges. Number one thing you need to do to claim your PAWS is to visit the PAWS community app solana.org. You can see it on Telegram. So you complete your allocation calculation. Once you have completed the calculation, you click on claim to proceed. After you click on claim, then select centralized exchange to deposit your PAWS directly to the exchange. Note that claiming to exchange is going to incur a 3% withdrawal fee. So 3% is going to be taken out of what you are claiming as the withdrawal fee. To proceed with your PAWS claim, you need your exchange user ID. So you log into your exchange, maybe Bybit or Bjet, they are started, or any other one they are adding, and then you navigate to your profile or your dashboard to find your unique UID. Then after you've done this, you now paste it in the required place, and then other things you need to paste, you search for it and paste it. So your deposit address, you log into your exchange again, and you exchange account, you go to assets, you deposit, then you select Solana, SOL capital as the deposit currency. After you've done that, you copy your unique deposit address. You have to be sure that both your UID and deposit address are entered correctly before finalizing your claim. If you prefer to claim your PAWS on chain to a Solana wallet, that option will be available starting March 18, 2025. So spread the word. The PAWS exchange is live now. So you can go ahead and claim after months of on this project that everyone has been on this project. So good luck to everyone.